I have here the 24 feet modular price wheel from WinSpin. It's their Easy Go series. This one in particular is very portable, very modular, and easy to assemble and disassemble. I'm going to do unboxing of this product here. Of course, you got the different panels. It comes with 6 different colors. There are other colors out there, and if you want to mix and match a certain color, a certain style you want, there's always accessories you can buy on the side just for the panels itself. And they also have additional colors besides what comes with this. So first, you got all the panels here. You got the desktop stand. This one here is desktop stand. There's also have the tripod stand, which I'll show to you later also. The stand, the carry-on bag. If you want, after you finish using, and you don't want to use the box again, you can always put it in this bag, or you can put it back into the original box for transport and shipment. You got the accessories, erasers, markers, the eraser and marker holder, and other accessories in here, the metal piece inside and the centerpiece. These are the parts in here, and the next step I'm going to show you is how to install it. Now that I have taken everything out from the box, these are the parts that's come with this kit. First of all, this is the stand, okay? The desk stand, all the panels here. There's 6 colors, 2 of each. You got the front cover, you got the centerpiece, screws, pins, Allen wrench, screw cap, extra piece of the ticker, the head, a marker, eraser, marker eraser holder, and you got the carrying bag. Now the next step I'm going to show you is how to install this. The first thing I'm going to do is to install the base. Now the base, if you see it's a U shape here, make sure this U shape is pointing inside. This part here is going to face outward. So I just need to put it together, put the screws. There's a screw, there's a washer. The washer is going to go in the back. Okay, so just put in here. I'm going to put washer. And just tighten it a little bit. Next screw. Take out the washer. Go to the next hole. Washer. I'm going to put this direction so it's easier for you to see. And just tighten it. Now, this part here, you can always get a screwdriver here, just hold it and just tighten it, or right now I'm just tightening it and it should be okay. Here I have also the floor standing tripod for the modular price wheel, 24-inch. We have both the tabletop and the floor standing tripod. So whichever works best for you, we got both. Then it is, next one. Right, now I got this base up. The next thing I'm going to do is to install the panel itself. Again, whatever pattern you want, it's up to you. But for me, normally when I install it, just put it the way that you like. Now, when you install it, I do recommend that you flip it over. It's easier to install, okay? And then I'm just gonna arrange the colors on the side how I want it to be. Okay, now Oh, I got one more here. Just flip this over here. All right. Now all we need to do is connect all the points together. Again, female, male, just connect them together. And again, very thick, very sturdy, and it fits perfectly. All you need to just snap them in. Snap them in. Okay. For the very last piece, I do recommend to put the female, just slant it a little so both of them can connect easier. Okay, we're all done. Now all we need is to connect the centerpiece together. The centerpiece, you got the circle and the side panel here. Just match it together with this and this, okay? Okay, now once you find the spot, snap it in so you see the black part of this and the side here. Just connect that in, snap, snap, snap. You're all set. Okay? Okay. After I connect all this, the next step is to put the base in here. This here, you got the screw. Okay. These are the parts. You got, here, let me take them all out first. You got the screw, the washer on the outside. You got the two washers, the plain one, the ones with the ridges going in the center. Okay, so what it is you're gonna, let me put this in here. Okay, connect this into here. Now we add the washer. Okay, so we got, again, there's three washer, plain. The rigid one goes in the center, and another plain one. We're gonna put it in here. Then we're gonna connect it to the base. Okay. Okay. Once it's connected, we're gonna put in another washer. Okay. On the outside, and then we're gonna screw it with the nuts. Now, once it's screwed, we got the Allen wrench, and you can always just tighten it. Now, it's best if you tighten it and then just loosen it up a little, and it'll run really, really smooth. Okay, just a tad. That's all you need. Okay. Now, once this is connected, we're gonna screw in the pins. Okay, we got all these pins here. Now, with the pins, if you see, there's screws. The reason why we have screws in here is because a lot of time people, when they use it, the ones that do not have screws, people that spin the wheels, not all of them will use the wheel itself to spin. They hold on to the pin and spin it, and a lot of times it'll pop out. So that's why we made it with the screws. In addition to the screws, if you look at the details, the screws comes out to another panel, and it holds two panels together so it won't become loose. So just that's one good thing about our pins here. So next step you do is just connect all the pins together. Now that I got all the pins connected, you got the center magnetic piece here. Just put it together just however you want. You got the screw cap here. It's more aesthetic so that you don't see the screws. Just plug it in. Just snaps in. Next thing, we got the marker and eraser holder. All you need to do is just connect it to this hole here. And then you're done. Okay. Now, I just want to show you something. Here, you can actually be rough with it. You don't have to be gentle with it. You look. And enjoy your WinSpin prize wheel.